The 10 worst investing mistakes to make for 2022. One of the patterns we've seen throughout the course of recent years is there's been a great deal of new financial backers entering the market. In Robinhood's latest quarterly information, they showed that in the beyond a year they've multiplied how much financed accounts. What's more, in the S1 recording, they showed that more than half of their clients are new to effective money management through and through. Furthermore, this is an extraordinary pattern to see since it implies an ever-increasing number of individuals are turning on to securities exchange effective financial planning, which over the long haul will serve them quite well. Yet, presumably the securities exchange is an interesting spot and there are a great deal of missteps that novices ordinarily make that really appear to be strange at face esteem. So in this video, I've recorded 10 normal missteps that amateurs make, and we will discuss them and all the more critically, how to stay away from them. This video, 10 investing mistakes I know by and by, I've made a ton of these myself. So trust me, I know for a fact that these thoughts don't work. So botch number 1 is basically financial planning in light of the fact that the market is going up. This is an exceptionally normal confusion since it's truly when the market is going down that you ought to get invigorated, not while it's going up. That's what you do and you have a vastly improved financial planning experience. Contributing with a drawn-out skyline. Assuming you truly focus on being on the lookout for over a decade, then such a large amount the pressure of effective financial planning simply disappears. The market just declined half yesterday. On the off chance that you're focused on long-haul money management, when the market is going up, you win. In any case, when the market is going down, you likewise win, since, supposing that the market goes down, then, at that point, you're being gifted an uncommon open door where extraordinary long-haul speculation potential open doors are being given to you at clearance room costs. Putting resources into wide-channel organizations significantly decreases the gamble of extremely durable loss of capital since they have an inborn trademark that normally keeps them safeguarded from their rivals. On the off chance that you will purchase a stock, ensure it certainly enjoys a serious benefit and express gratitude toward me later. Good. Presently continuing on toward botch number 8. This one's difficult to hear. However, a serious mix-up is believing that you're a specialist in effective financial planning. What's more, actually, on the off chance that you've purchased a stock whenever throughout recent years, you've most likely brought in cash. What's more, no question while you're sitting at 4 and that causes you to feel like you're truly getting the hang of this contributing business. See what the bears are talking about the stock, then, at that point, check whether you can sensibly excuse those contentions utilizing information. That is the manner by which you battle tendency to look for predictable feedback in effective financial planning. Also, presently the last financial planning botch I needed to raise is just not staying with the whenever you've put resources into it. That is to say, we accomplish such a great deal exploration to prepare sure we're to purchase this thing, yet a ton of the time, whenever we've purchased in, we only sort of forget about it. It's simply the contributing divine beings unleashing destruction. So, they are my main 10 contributing errors that novices will more often than not make now. In any case, folks, trust you partook in the video. Leave a like on it. Assuming you delighted in it, or on the other hand in the event that you thought that it is helpful, buy into the channel. Assuming that you're new around here,